Greetings from Sanskriti family to all the audience. Here I Bhumi Namdev of 11 giving light on Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, that is the integrity and unity of Manipur, Nagaland and Madhya Pradesh. For Unity Pledge, here I welcomes Anushka Jain of ninth.
Hello everyone, this is Anushka Jain of class 9th A and I am going to recite the Unity Pledge. This pledge is taken by all the Sanskritians. So let's begin. I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity, and security of the nation and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made possible by the vision and actions of late Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country. Thank you.
Thank you, Anushka. Poetry is when an emotion has found its thought and the thought has found words. Here, I invite Naman Gupta for poetry.
My name is Naman Gupta from class 8D. I want to speak a poem on Manipur because I am not a one you want to love. I know I am a loser, it is not over yet. But I don't want to just give up because I am afraid you just stay a hope. I am scared of what if we were to call you to love. And he is not for me to feel how much pain, how hard it is to ask that I would have been just loved by a person he just wasted.
Thank you, Naman, for a wonderful poem. Now, I called upon Kshitij Pawar for giving information about dresses.
Here I am Kshitij Pawar from class 11th B Sanskriti and English Medium School. Here I would like to discuss you something about dressing and jewelry of Manipur and Nagaland. Our primary students of our school has prepared toys related to dress and jewels of Manipur and Nagaland bears. Here I would like to begin. The dress of Manipur have been defining fashion forever. They are known for carrying of ethnic fashion trend with much length. A traditional Manipuri costume has a decent style for wear, comfort and personality proceed all. The outfits are vibrant and innovative and yet maintain the uniqueness of primary concept, but the fashion statement has evolved. The younger generation is experimenting with new dynamics in the same traditional outfit, leading to debonate. It took the time allowed customary cloth. Thank you.
Thank you, Kshitij. Here, for essay, I welcomes Arohi Navagre.
My name is Arohi Navagre from class 7th C of Sanskriti and English Medium School. Here I represent the essay on Manipur. Manipur is a small state in the northeast of India. Its capital is Imphal. It is called the powerhouse of sports of the India because of the remarkable contribution in the field of sports. The famous Mary Kom also belonged to Manipur. The state share border with other northeastern state of Nagaland, Mizoram and Assam and the neighboring country of Myanmar. Due to its wealth of flora and fauna, Manipur is described as the flower on a lofty heights, a jewel of India and the Switzerland of the East. Manipuri is the classical dance from the northeast Indian state of Manipur. The term Manipuri actually covers a number of dance forms from the region. Thank you.
Thank you, Arohi, for outstanding essay. Now, here I called upon Krishna for vocab.
Hello everyone, my name is Krishna Raghuvanshi from class 8th C. I belongs to Sanskriti and English Medium School, Ashoknagar MP. I am here to present some greetings and to translate them into Naga and Manipuri language. So here I start. First, Token Higa, general greeting. Second, Tiso Vive, morning greeting. Third, Kinhi Vive, afternoon greeting. Fourth, Da Vive, evening greeting. Fifth, Kedi Puo Mihiga, how are you? Sixth, Salemu, general greeting. 7. Salim, general greeting. 8. Jonga Tanga Pilar, reply to how are you. 9. Anep Tang Tajong, morning greeting. 10. Nikok Tetsu Tajong, afternoon greeting. Thank you all.
Thank you, Krishna.
On the behalf of Sanskriti family and Sanskritians, thank you for watching video on Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat.